Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear your watch history on the YouTube app. Clearing your watch history helps keep your recommendations fresh and your privacy intact. Let's get started with simple steps you can follow easily. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Next, look for the three dots located in the top right corner and tap on them. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, tap on History and Privacy. Here, you will see the option to Clear Watch History. Finally, tap on it once more to confirm by selecting Clear Watch History again. And that's how you clear your watch history on YouTube. Doing this regularly ensures your recommendations stay relevant and protects your privacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.